welcome back to today's video. So today I am doing my October Boxycharm unboxing and I am very excited. You guys know how much I've been loving doing these every single month, and this box feels really heavy, and I know a lot of you guys asked me to weigh my box, and I actually don't have a scale yet. I'm getting one and then I'll be able to let you guys know, because I can't tell you at this point what it weighs. I was like, I didn't know that was a thing, and then you guys told me that was a thing. So if you guys never heard of Boxycharm before, it is a beauty subscription service. I'm sure you guys already know this, and it actually is $21 a month if you order it monthly, and the value is usually over like $160. It's crazy. The items have been so good recently. In case you missed it, last month I got a Too Faced natural face palette, which was probably one of my favorite things ever that we've gotten in Boxycharm. Like, this is legit such a good product, you guys, and I have been using it and really enjoying it. So to get this in Boxycharm should make you a believer. So it is October, fall season, super gloomy and rainy here. I had our fireplace on last night. Fall vibes. If you guys want to find out what I got in my October 2019 Boxycharm, please keep watching. I hope you guys are enjoying these. If you do like these videos, please subscribe to my channel. It's the first link down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's get into October Boxycharm. What is inside of Boxycharm? You guys know I don't look at sneak peeks. I just kind of try and ignore them as best as I can. So let's check it out. First product, yeah, this is the iconic London plumping lip plumping gloss in Nearly Nude. I actually think I might have this because they sent me a PR package with all the colors, which was so cool. But this is the best color out of all of them. This is Nearly Nude. I have to see if I have this exact shade, but this is like my perfect pink nude shade. It is so pretty. I don't want to open up and swatch it. It's actually coming off darker on camera. It's lighter in person. These are like, they're not opaque. They're more of a sheer gloss, so there's very little color to them, and they have that minty feel to them. Make your lips look super duper wet and shiny. We have Jante Blue lip liner pencil in hot red. Never heard of this brand, and I don't think I own any red lip liners, so I should definitely hold on to this just in case the moment strikes and I'm not wearing a nude and I want to pop on a red. This will be a good pencil to have around. We have something wrapped up here. Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. I actually own this because I get PR from Paula's Choice. I was just raving about them in my last empties video, and I'm so excited that she's in Boxycharm, so more people will get to know her brand and how good her skincare products are. They are like no frills, and I like that they updated, but their packaging is really simple and clean. Everything is fragrance free, and I've really enjoyed everything I've tried so far from her brand. So this is great because it has salicylic acid in it. It helps to clear your pores, clear your skin, help with enlarged pores. This is a great skincare product. So this is really cool, great value. Last two items. Ooh, I am interested in this. This is the Touch in Soul Glassy Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. Love the packaging because it's like holographic with a sensationally smooth texture that melts into the skin. The ultimate glow lasts throughout the day. I feel like this is a big trend that's happening right now, is this primer balm type of thing, and I like it. Okay, so this is very interesting. I like the packaging on this, and let's see. Ooh, has a little very, very light scent to it. Feels good. I like the scent just because it's very light. A little bit of like it's not sticky. You can feel it has something there. It definitely has a primer kind of feel to it. It's thicker. Has a little bit of stick to it. A little bit, but not bad. So I'm hoping this is gonna pair well with my skin type. I have oily skin, you guys know. So this is supposed to be more of a glowy product, and it is called Glassy. So we'll definitely see how this works with my skin type, and I'm very interested in this. I like the concept of it. I actually got the other day the Juno & Co one, which I think is supposed to be kind of the same concept as this. So it will be interesting to compare the two. So we'll keep you guys updated on this. Let me know if you've tried this yet. If you guys did not know, Touch in Soul is a K-beauty brand. I did not know that for the longest time. Okay, the last item we have is, ooh, this is good, you guys. This is a good box. We have Dose of Colors Baked Browns eyeshadow palette. I have been wanting to try a Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette forever. I always look at them when I'm at Ulta and I never took the plunge, so check this out. I've heard great things about these. Marvelous Mauves, I've heard really good things about. So pretty. All mattes, which is right up my alley. I love matte shades, and you get an actual matte brow bone shade in here, which is perfect because I love these. I will use up this entire color, you guys, just to let you know. I will hit pan on it. I hit pan on all my matte brow bone shades. Here we have it. This is so exciting. Love, love, love these colors. Also says on the back here that you can get Boxycharm Premium starting in November. It is over $175 value for only $35. So definitely something to check out in case you guys are interested. This box is called After Dark, and the Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette is $32. The Touch in Soul Pretty Filter Glassy Balm, this is $32. The Iconic London Plumping Gloss is $26 retail. The Paula's Choice Liquid Exfoliant with BHAs is $29.50. And then we have the Jaunt Blue Lip Liner. This one's a little bit more affordable. It is $5. In case you guys want to know my box number, it is 24, which is my favorite number because that's also my birthday, so that's really fun. So let me know if you guys also got box 24. The total retail value for my box is $124.50, and the monthly price, as I told you guys before, is $21. So really great value, and I feel like the products this month were really, really good. This was an awesome box. Paula's Choice is a great brand, you guys. Dose of Colors eyeshadow. This is worth it because I have been wanting to try this for so long, so this is very exciting. Iconic London, great brand. Love those glosses. And then the Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. I'm very excited about this. I think the two I'm most excited about are Dose of Colors and the Touch in Soul Glassy Skin Balm, even though everything was great. Love this month. Great way to start off October. Can't wait to try out everything here. I might probably include this in a giveaway because I think I already have 2 bottles of this from an event and then PR, but I still really like it, and I have my own bottle in the bathroom. So hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you guys have signed up for Boxycharm recently, if you are loving it, and let me know which box you got. Did I miss out on something cool? Because I think my box was really, really good. So thank you guys for watching. Love you, and I will see you in my next one.